Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com. A little snow this morning and 2 waves over the area with some very minor accumulation. Now that's all melting away as we warm up. But we're tracking some rain and snow and eventually snow showers and squalls headed our way this evening and into tonight. For any squalls, I'd watch the 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. time frame. Those could reduce visibility and also put down a really quick little bit of accumulation. It gets colder for the weekend. We're still going to have some periodic snow showers and flurries, but it is going to get brutally cold with time. As a matter of fact, by Monday night, Tuesday morning, with the kind of wind we've got coming in, there'll be some places where the wind chills drop to 20 below zero. Though it still looks like 2 main Arctic blasts headed our way. We've got one that's coming up after next weekend. Then we have another one very late January to early February. And with both of them, we've got to watch for a phasing of 2 systems that may bring winter weather that's quite impactful to our area. The RAV model handled the snow last night, this morning to noon the best. The greatest totals that have been reported have been in the far north with around an inch, 1.1 inches, and then in the far south. In the middle part of the area, it was really a trace to just a few tenths of an inch of snow. But now it's warming up as the winds are out of the southwest, south of the warm front. But the cold front's back here, and what's happening now, we've got a big pool of very cold air as you go up in the atmosphere, several thousand feet up. And that cold pocket is here rolling eastward like a bowling ball, and it's bubbling these clouds up as we're getting a little sun. See these little, you can see the texture, they look like popcorn clouds right here. Almost look like little thunderstorms developing. Well, as that cold pocket comes overhead, we're getting a few rain showers developing here, and eventually it'll be rain snow showers mixed, and then snow showers and squalls that come in. So a few little showers, actually Fowler, Monticello, south of Rossville. Wouldn't surprise me if any one of these have a little grapple in them. Maybe a little bit of sleet, and eventually a few more flakes will mix into these little rain showers bubbling up too. And then we get the snow showers and squalls in here. Can't even rule out an isolated rumble of thunder. With temperatures that are warming up, they've warmed up substantially today as expected. You know, it's 39 at Covington, 35 at Delphi and Monon. It's 34 at Peru, and we're 40 degrees at Cayuga now. Some sun at Fowler you can see, but still cloudy at Rochester, and any additional snow that we have gotten has melted away. But this evening, a few rain and snow showers, grapple, those come in. Then we get the scattered snow showers and squalls. You can see them right there coming through the area, rather gusty. Then a few snow showers into the night. In terms of snowfall, really right through this evening and then in through tonight. Some places are going to get more than an inch of snow, but here's the thing about it, it's all localized. It's like having summer thunderstorms. In that one location gets a good amount of rain, the other location down the road doesn't. That's how these snow showers and squalls will behave tonight. One person may have 1.2 inches of snow that falls in a half an hour or an hour. Another person may only end up with a trace for the whole thing. So haphazard dustings, coatings, and a few places that get a little more than an inch of snow. They're the flurries and scattered snow showers tomorrow, and a few into tomorrow night before they taper by Sunday morning, with a few localized dustings here and there, little coatings. You can see the models cranking out a trace to as much as 0.6 of an inch of snowfall. Then a few more snow showers and flurries Sunday afternoon into Sunday night and even a little bit into part of Monday. That may put down just a few dustings, but it's going to be windy. The wind's really cranking up late in the weekend, Sunday and especially Monday and into Monday night. Few dustings of snow cannot be ruled out. After that windy, cold start to the week, it suddenly turns much warmer. We get a thaw coming up by the mid part of the week, like around Wednesday. Highs 35 to about 41 degrees with a few rain showers ending as a few snow showers, and then that's cold front number 1. Cold front number 2 may bring a few snow showers on Thursday. But what we're looking at now is the upper level winds. This is very important to show you what's trying to transpire for next weekend. this is a good setup for a phasing of a storm down in Texas that comes up our way and brings snow. You'll notice here's the polar jet that transports the cold. These purples and reds indicate strong winds. So the polar jet dips here, the subtropical jet strong here, and where they split, you get very strong rising air motion. So as the clipper drops here, and we get a little low to form here, and the two phase, as the air rises quickly, all the wind rushes towards the middle and the pressure drops, so you're going to form one main low pressure may form here, move up to the northeast and bring a winter storm to the area. That has been something that I've watched and noticed for a long time. The biggest question is exact timing of it, and do we truly get a phasing? We know there's going to be a clipper there. We know there's going to be a storm in Texas. We know it's a good setup for a phasing. Does it happen? This particular data says no, there's no phasing. You'll notice it here. So there's your southern storm with snow south of our area, maybe up to our southern counties, and then there's the clipper. See how they don't phase together? There's your clipper, brings snow. Now this is a phasing scenario. Clipper, southern storm, snow all over the place, even a little ice trying to make it in here. It's all about timing. And the phasing or no phasing scenario, we're gonna have to watch that quickly because there's no real 100% agreement that we're getting the phasing and we're getting the winter storm. Now I think we're gonna get snow no matter what. We're gonna get some amount of snow, whether it be from the clipper or from the phasing or from the southern storm, then the clipper comes through. When I look at ensemble members, we're taking the model data, run after run after run. What are the main outcomes with it? Well, it's about 50-50 with this particular set of data on a phase or no phase. You can see when you get the phasing, you get the bigger snow here, like here and here and here as well, but others not so much. The SIPS analog data out of St. Louis University indicates 1/3 to 6/10 of an inch of liquid will be possible. Now, in a perfect world, 10-to-1 ratio, that would be 3 to 6 inches of snow. Now, when we look at the SIPS analog, the probability of 2 or more inches of snow, it is anywhere from 30 to 70% here. The highest potential kind of along and north of 18. We'll wait and see though. This is just analog data right now. This is our forecast area, and you can see the probability is pretty high for this far out. So the takeaway from that is we'll get snow, we just don't know how much, and it all depends on the phasing. And we don't know exactly the timing. I'm saying next weekend, it may be Saturday, it may be Saturday night, Sunday, it may be Sunday, Sunday night. Just don't know exactly quite yet, but the setup is indeed there. Then the bitter cold. So we've got, first of all, cold coming in for the weekend and next week here. Then we see a warm up mid next week, and then cold starts coming back in. The brutal cold comes after that big winter storm or just clipper system with snow right here. These numbers, these colors indicate temperatures way below normal and temperatures below zero. The thing is, that first potent cold wave, it doesn't last overly long. It's like 3 days, 2-3 days, and that's it. The second one is more potent and longer lasting, and it may have a similar situation where it's a similar setup. You got to watch phasing. Clipper coming down, storm here developing, potentially moving to the northeast, and this particular loop, it's a phasing situation with heavy snow here. We got to watch that very closely, but regardless, it's another round of lows below zero. This could be the main Arctic outbreak of the winter. Lows way below zero with this one, and wind chills way below zero with a snowpack on the ground. That would be very end of January to early February. Tonight we're down into the teens to about 20 degrees. And then some scattered flurries and snow showers tomorrow, and a windy day with wind chills near zero in the morning, and then there'll be single digits during the afternoon with upper teens to mid 20s for highs. Sunday's a 22-degree day, Saturday's the 22-degree day, Sunday's the 18-degree day, Monday is 15. Keep in mind, Monday night, Tuesday morning, wind chills Parts of the area will get as low as 20 below zero. Some scattered rain and snow showers Wednesday, warmer, there's that little bit of a thaw. A few snow showers Thursday, and then we watch next weekend to see what unfolds with highs in the 20s, and then after that, we'll likely get highs only around zero with overnight lows below zero once that system pushes through.